Put in your credentials. Okay, go back to the dashboard. The next thing for us is credentials. Manage Jenkins. Credentials. So this is where you add the credentials for your repository, credentials for your GitHub, credentials for your SonarQube. So, but before it, okay, let's start with GitHub. Make sure it's secret text. We can call it GitHub token. GitHub token. So let's go to GitHub. GitHub. We go to the settings here. Scroll down to developer settings. Personal access tokens. Tokens classic. Generate new token for general use. Add your credentials. Give it a name. I'll say Jenkins East. It depends on it depends on the scope you want to give it. So generate. Copy. Go back to Jenkins. Paste it here. And click on create. So let's go to our SonarQube. SonarQube is on port 9000. Our SonarQube is on port 9000. The password is usually admin. Okay, so if you have an antivirus, you might have issues. It might not allow you to go in there because it might think it's a threat website, but then you might have to go into your antivirus to enable uh, you to visit the SonarQube site. So old password is admin. You set in the new one. Update, and now you're here. So click on administration. users, you can create a new one for Jenkins. Or you might want to use the admin. So get the token. Jenkins. Generate. And that's it. Copy. Go to your Jenkins. Add credentials. Secret text. Call it sooner. Oh no. Paste it here. Sonar token. Paste it. Sonar token and create. Now you have two of your. Then you need your repos. You may want to copy this into a node, a notepad, paste, in case, just in case. Done. So the next thing is we do the Jenkins webhook. Administration, configuration, webhooks, create. We could just give it a name, Jenkins. The URL is going to be the URL um, for Jenkins. Copy it. This and we call it SonarCube dash webhook, and that's it. Create. So we go back to Jenkins. Now we will add some other tokens for our repo, for all of our repos. So for the first one, which is add service, the secret text is still going to be add service. I create. So make sure you do the same for all the repos. Cut service, cut service, the same, cut service. Secret text, recommend. Make sure you have the right spelling. Recommendation service. Paste it here. Paste it here. Create. And finally, the shipping service. Secret text. Shipping service. Shipping service. Copy, paste it here, paste it here, and that's it. So we have all the repos. Then the next thing we need to add our AWS account ID. So I go to my AWS. What is my account ID? Copy, paste it here, and create. I think that's about it. So we have the GitHub, the Sonar token, all the repos, AWS ID, and that's it. So the next thing we want to go back into to Jenkins, to the dashboard, manage Jenkins, click on tools. So the first thing I want to add the JDK. So add installer from adoptium.net. This is okay. The next thing is to the GitHub. If you're using Gradle, SonarCube Scanner, Sonar Scanner, Node, Node.js, DP, check. Make sure you remember the caps matters. So if you use DP small c, small cap C, make sure that's what you're going to use in your Jenkins file. Docker, and save. So the next one is to go into your system. Click on system. Okay. Everything looks good. Add SonarCube. Um, Sonar token. owner scanner. Then the URL, remember the URL for your SonarQube. What is it? Okay. So that is all we need for now. If you want to add your email for notification, you go to Google, get the SMT server, the port number, define all those, and impute it. Save. And that's it for now. So the next, I'm going to pause here, then we'll come back later and create a job. So thank you for watching. Just take some break and we'll move into the next one in creating the Jenkins pipeline. Thank you.